Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. So this from Michael at Val5 Links. Crypto giant Grayscale buys 12,320 Bitcoin in one day. And yes, you guys saw that number correctly. Over 12,000 Bitcoin. Guys, this coming when Bitcoin was reaching its all-time high. This article was from a couple of days ago now, but they're buying at 13x the rate of new daily supply entering the market. Digital assets manager Grayscale just added more than 10,000 Bitcoin to its portfolio in a single day, bringing the total number of BTC it holds to nearly 600,000. Data from cryptocurrency futures trading and information platform BIPT reveals Grayscale held 576,650 Bitcoin on December 1st. The amount rose to 588,970 a day later, an increase of approximately 12,320 Bitcoin. Now, I'm just going to read the first two sentences of that article just to demonstrate the magnitude of this kind of move and to understand where a company like Grayscale thinks Bitcoin is going. Obviously, they wouldn't be doing this if they didn't see the potential for Bitcoin to rise even further. Again, guys, this article was from a couple of days ago, and now Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high of 28,392 per BTC. Right now, we're seeing BTC trading just a bit under that at 26,844. We did see a significant correction over the last couple of hours, but this is par for the course. And so again, as I say, the higher we go with regards to Bitcoin price, these corrections are just going to get bigger and bigger. Routinely, we saw 40% corrections back in the bull run of 2017, and I don't think that this is going to change. If anything, I think we could see these cuts get even more dramatic. And as Bitcoin is pumping, guys, the rest of the crypto market is doing all right, but you can see here we are in a Bitcoin rally right now. Altcoins are taking a bit of a back seat. Of course, there are some alts that are doing okay. Ethereum is up 1.67% over the last 24 hours. Coins like Litecoin is up over 10% over the last 7 days. But look at all the rest of the altcoins. Everything is kind of going down a little in the red. Some of the Bitcoin products are up, like Bitcoin, or rather wrapped Bitcoin, and a couple of others. Nevertheless, ultimately what we're seeing though is, that rotation, taking money out of alts back into Bitcoin, and this is what's giving Bitcoin the power to pump even further. You can see up here, Bitcoin dominance is at 71.2%. The entire crypto market is over 700 billion right now, standing at 716.1 billion dollars. A lot of that money getting pumped into BTC. So what does this mean for XRP price? What does this mean for the altcoin market? Let's take a look at the altcoin market for a second. I'm going to bring up the total 2 market cap. This is all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin. This is what the market cap is at this moment in time. I'll put it on the daily just to show you guys. And that looks similar to the BTC chart, doesn't it? It does. However, if you look at the dates on the BTC chart, this high would have been December 17th. And on the altcoin market cap chart, it tops out at around January 6th, 2018. So everything is kind of shifted over a bit. We know this even just from experience in trading. We know altcoins tend to follow Bitcoin. Money comes out of Bitcoin once Bitcoin reaches an all-time high and floods into alts. And so where is the altcoin market cap now in terms of price? Well, we have it here on the daily. And, for a lot of cryptocurrencies, they did top out in and around November 24th and 25th. Over here on the altcoin market cap chart, it does show a new high on December 17th. Nevertheless, I wanted to take this November 24th number here and see how far down we are from that November 24th high. So for the altcoin market cap right now, we are down about 15%, okay? And even 15%, I don't know if you guys can see that here. Let me put it over here for you guys. About 15% on altcoins as a total, as an average total. And so what that means to me is that if you're seeing an altcoin that is actually under 15% right now from the November 24th high, it is a very good time to likely buy that altcoin, especially since we know that this kind of rotation takes place where money comes out of Bitcoin, gets pumped into alts. And so let's take a look at some of these altcoins like we've got. We're going to get to XRP in a sec. I want to look at XLM first because XLM, very similar to XRP. I'm not saying I would buy XLM particularly, but I just wanted to show you some numbers here. So this is from November 25th. This is the top over there. And if we take that, bring it down. XLM is down roughly 42%. So you can see if I go back to total 2, that is way lower than the 15% of the total altcoin market. Let's take a look at Chainlink, okay? Link USD, right here we have November 24th up there, and right now Chainlink is trading all the way down here, down about 35%. You guys can see that. Compare it to the total 2 altcoin market, obviously 35% is down a lot more than that 15%. If I bring up NEO USD, I'm just picking some altcoins here in the space. So let's take a look at NEO. This is the right around here was November 24th, 25th, that all-time high. NEO is down also about 35% here. And so the total 2 market cap just demonstrates the altcoins other than Bitcoin. Of course, we know some altcoins are, technically, I guess they're considered altcoins, but they are more likely to be linked to Bitcoin. And some of those coins include coins like Ethereum. So if you take a look at Ethereum here on the chart, you guys can see Ethereum down only, actually that's incorrect because that's not November 24th. Let me bring it up here to November 24th, which is around here, guys. 24th, it's up. So Ethereum is actually trading higher than it was on November 24th, which is here. It is actually trading up about 1% up above its November 24th high. And a similar story for Litecoin. If we bring up Litecoin on the chart, let's take it from November 24th here. And Litecoin is actually up 33.2%. So although these coins are technically altcoins, they are not actually following the same trend as typical altcoins in the space. Now, of course, you guys are interested in XRP. So where does XRP fall into this mix? Let's bring up XRP, and you guys can see XRP is down here, trading at about 27 cents at the time of recording. We saw this high for XRP up on November 24th. Let's take that reading here, bring it all the way down to where it is currently trading. You guys can see down here, XRP is currently trading about 65% lower than that high we saw on November 24th. So, compared to XLM, compared to NEO, compared to Link, XRP is very oversold. Of course, we know that the SEC news had something to do with that. So what does this mean for XRP potential, and how can we best judge where it will go price-wise in the not-too-distant future? Of course, we know alts will pump again, and so what I've noticed here, guys, on the XRP BTC chart is something very interesting. So this is it on the daily. I'm just going to zoom out to show you guys where we've been and where we could be going in the not too distant future. So I'm going to show you guys this. This was the bull run of 2017. Of course, this was at Bitcoin's height down here. And then you guys can see, compared to Bitcoin, this is what happened to the price of XRP. And it also happened back in and around here in and around March 2017. We saw that it shot up during the altcoin rally, came back down, and then that last leg up compared to Bitcoin during that altcoin rally. So this is when money was rotating back out of Bitcoin, back into altcoins like XRP. And what we're noticing here, guys, is something very interesting. Let me just draw it out for you guys here. There's this. Okay, level of significant level of resistance here. This matches up with this, okay, before we saw this monster push up for XRP. And what is happening now, guys? We are falling into that same exact zone. Let me draw it out for you here. Now, I am going to take tops of wicks, bottoms of tails, just to demonstrate, because we are in a very volatile market. So tops of wicks, bottoms of tails, and I'm going to take it from way back to March 2017. If we drag this box over, we can see we retraced back in December 2017 when money was coming out of Bitcoin back into altcoins. That pushed the price up all the way up here. XRP went to new all-time highs. And so what is happening now? Let's drag the chart all the way over, and you guys can see we are actually retracing again in this zone here. So let me just drag this over, and I'm going to zoom in a bit, and you guys can see we are in this zone yet again. So anywhere from the tops of wicks to bottoms of tails, I'm taking this as a measurement because we know cryptocurrency, again, very volatile. So this is a safe zone here. XRP is likely to move within this zone before shooting back up. Now, how high could we go? And so let me just take it off. Actually, let me put it back on auto, bring it out, zoom it way out here, guys. You can see the zone hit once in March 2017, retraced back in December 17. Now we're over here, and let me just put let me just draw another little circle around that. You guys can see we're over here now. And look at the resistance levels. After the XRP really took off, we saw it really kind of retrace up here, right? Similar levels of resistance, similar ceilings. So even if we can see XRP go back up to that price, right now it's trading at 27 cents. And that would ultimately mean if we take a percentage gauge up here, if we went back up to that same high, give or take, we could see XRP go up approximately 2,160% if we do see history repeat itself. What would that mean for XRP price, guys? Well, let's bring the calculator up here. Right now trading at 27 cents times 2,160%. So you add $5.83 plus the original 27 cents would bring XRP to a dollar value of $6.10. So how soon before the alts rally? This is ultimately the question. How high will BTC go before we start seeing that major rotation into altcoins? I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.